Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. In this video, I'm going to very quickly tell you how to resolve the blue screen of death issue. This issue happens when you continuously try to boot in your computer over 3 times and it will not boot up. At that point, Windows will launch the automatic boot repairer. That's what's currently going on right now. It's diagnosing the PC. Now keep in mind, if you haven't done a hard power off with a physical switch 3 times, your computer won't be able to get to the screen. All right, so there's 2 options. You can reset your computer. However, if we could also click advanced options to try other options to fix the PC, we're gonna click advanced options. We're gonna click troubleshoot, then we're gonna click advanced options. Now keep in mind, there's several options you can actually fix your computer with, even though we're gonna do the start a repair. Some of those options are you can go back to a previous version of Windows, you could do a system restore, you can do a system image recovery, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to do a startup repair. It's currently running the same startup process again. Now this process is currently running and checking for disk errors. Just be patient, it could take up to an hour. All right, after it's been running for a while, as you can see here, it's attempting repairs at this point. As you can see here, mine didn't actually do any startup repair because there's nothing wrong with my computer. However, if there was something wrong with yours, that could potentially solve the problem. I hope that helps. Now, if it don't work, go back to startup repair like we did last time and try some of those other options. Thanks. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.